Good morning everyone. My name is Shraddha Olympiad from grade 5. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Thursday and today's date is 28th August 2025. Thank you.
Good morning all, this is Anand Kamble from grade 5. Every Thursday we observe Thought Leader Thursday. On the behalf of it, I would like to share a thought. The thought is move in silence. Speak only when it's time to say checkmate. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is Anjali Rajput from grade 5.
My name is Aradhya Bhagyashree from grade 5. I am Janvi Murse from grade 5. This is Arvind Alaude from grade 5.
We are going to tell you the importance of the day. Today it is day in history. In 1986, when Bhagyashree Sathe became the first woman in India to receive a Grandmaster in chess. Born on August 4, 1961, she discovered chess in young age.
She became passionate about chess and chose it as her career. Let's have a look to her historic milestone WIM title. In 1986, Bhagyashree became the first Indian woman awarded the title of Women International Master. In 1986, at the age of 21, Bhagyashree became the first Indian woman to achieve the Women Grandmaster norm. Talking about her national and international achievements, she won Indian Women's Champion 5 times, British Ladies Champions in 1984, Asian Women's Champion in 1991. Let me share some fun and inspiring facts such as at 12 she started by playing informally at home. Her journey is about not giving up. Her story has inspired many young girls in India to take up chess.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to say some message that it shows that girls can lead and succeed with hard work, passion and practice. Things can become remarkable. Thank you.
May Bhagyashree Sathe's journey from playing chess at home to making history shows us that with hard work and courage, anyone can achieve greatness. Thank you.
Good morning all. I request everyone to please stand straight and feet a little apart for the breathing exercise. Take a deep breath through your nose. Now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale slowly through your mouth. One last time. Take a deep breath. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out slowly. Thank you.